Assalamu alaikum, ya shabab. Peace be upon you guys. Kayfa halakum? How are you all doing? Welcome to Hadha al-Usbu', which means this week. This video or an audio file will be a regular introduction to what we're doing each week, except next week, which will be your spring break. We're now in the second week, about to start Unit 2 and learn the first bits of the Arabic alphabet. I hope everyone's settling in. Obviously, you survived week 1 with flying colors. Don't hesitate to use the Google phone number as others are doing if you get stuck. Instant messaging, though, is better, because you can see everyone's availability. So if I'm not there, you can always email me to make sure I'm there later. Starting off in the Week 2 learning module, do watch the video on decoding Arabic, because that's what achieving literacy in Arabic is all about. Next, download the answer key for the Week 1 worksheet so you can see how you did against the key. This week, in Week 2, I also want all of you to set up an Arabic keyboard somewhere, on your PC, on your phone, or you can even use Google Translate, because they have a drop-down keyboard there. You need to do this somewhere so you can type what we're learning. That'll really help you internalize these new letters. Plus, you can see how they interact with other letters, since we learn the letters, or 4 different shapes sometimes of each letter. And then next, watch my YouTube with typing advice. All of this is in the Week 2 learning module. To encourage you to work throughout the week versus at the last minute on Sunday, which is horrible learning a language, you need to do, a little bit each day to really learn and internalize the language. To facilitate this, I'm going to be dividing some of our tasks between midweek and end of week. So this week, Thursday, you'll have some deadlines, especially the companion I like to split up. And if you do any Arabic emailing, which you will do, that's due Thursday. Okay, something new. This week's worksheet will be accompanied by something called a worksheet reference. You use those together. The reference was intended something to read instead of you having to print out, more than you really need to print out. The worksheet you'll always print out, though. So open those at the same time when you're working. Okay. Basically, we'll be finishing off Unit 1 in the book with a video activity in which you'll combine all the vocabulary that you've learned in Unit 1. Here you'll see some good model monologues. The 6 characters are introducing themselves, which you should be able to do now, giving basic information. Then we'll practice writing 5 new letters and some related words, and those letters are Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, and Nun that we'll be doing. And after that, and I'm going to the worksheet here, you see the video activity where you're listening to those guys introduce themselves. We'll jump to grammar on page 4, and these are the personal pronouns, which are building blocks of a language where you know how to say I, you, he, she, etc. In Arabic, we're going to learn ana for I or me, and we're also going to learn the you singular. In Arabic, depending on who you're talking to, if you're talking to a man, you use a different you from when you're talking to one woman. To the man, you'll say anta, and to the woman, you'll say anti. So you'll have some exercises regarding that. The next grammatical item will be, and you'll refer to the reference for more details, is how to ask simple questions in Arabic. And it's very easy. You just think of a sentence you want to say and then put the word hal in front of it. So you're going to want to be able to ask somebody, are you from the city of Rio Rancho or wherever? And then you'll see more examples and apply that to real life situations and pictures. So you guys all with me? Inshallah, you are. So that's it for now. Don't hesitate if you have questions. So, Had Said هذا الأسبوع يا طلاب. That means good luck this week, students. مع السلامة وشكرا جزيلا. Thanks a lot, guys.